This workflow automates batch API updates by reading data from a Google Sheet, sending HTTP requests for each record, and logging results back into the same sheet. It's ideal for mass status updates, syncing data with external systems, or performing API-driven record modifications. The workflow consists of manual trigger, sheets node, function node, and a HTTP node. Let's execute the workflow for testing. This is a Google Sheet, consists of ID and status right now. The following data will be saved here. The workflow begins with the manual trigger node, allowing to start it anytime by clicking on it. The Sheets node connects to your spreadsheet and retrieves row containing ID and status. The function node prepares API data, process each row, build a unique endpoint for each record, like https://json placeholder dot dot typicode.com/post/123 and so on. Adds a timestamp and formats the date for batch processing. Split in batches node ensures one record is processed at a time to avoid API overload and ensure smooth sequential updates. The HTTP request node sends a put request to the target API, passing ID and status. This simulates updating each record's status on an external service. The function node check response, validate the response, mark success or failure, generate a user-friendly timestamp, prepare summary data for log. Here is a formatted date and a message. Finally, the Google Sheets node writes result ID success message timestamp back to the same sheet. This provides a clear record of which update succeeded or failed. Here is the output. The two update successfully in a time. Let's and the API. Here is that API. This workflow acts as a real-time data collector, capturing post requests and storing them neatly in Google Sheets for tracking, analysis, or reporting. It's a simple yet powerful automation for integrating web data into your business records. Thanks for watching.